I'm going to do this as two quick videos, or one quick video and one which will be a longer video looking at how we use ratios to analyze information. First thing I'm going to look at very briefly is overtrading, and something that surprises many people is that bankruptcies tend to increase as an economy grows after a recession. So when you think the danger time's over for a business would be when the economy starts to grow, the real danger time for a business is that next 3 to 6 months. This is due to something called overtrading, and it's to do with companies increasing their sales too quickly. And the reason that becomes a problem, or the impact of it, is that credit purchases need to increase. And the problem that businesses then have, they may well end up being able to collect their money that they are owed from their customers more slowly than they are able to repay their suppliers. And obviously, if you've got money going out more quickly than you've got it coming in, that is going to give a business a real liquidity problem. And that means suppliers can also start refusing to supply goods, which means that you can't sell to anybody, and therefore a business quickly goes out of business. Remedies for it, obviously you can try to collect money quicker. Things like giving bigger cash discounts, reducing the amount of time that customers have to pay for their credit sales, reduce sales and particularly credit sales in general, or a long-term capital injection, either in the form of a bank loan or possibly by either the owners of a business, if it's a sole trader or partnership, introduce an extra long-term capital, or if it's a limited company, by selling some additional shares. How to spot overtrading? The real thing, and businesses try to avoid this as much as they can, but it's not possible for many types of businesses, is you would really like to have your trade receivable days being greater than the trade payable days. So, for example, if my customers pay me after 25 days, and yet my payments to my suppliers only can go out after 30 days, there's a real chance that I can receive the goods from my suppliers, I can sell them, I can collect the money, and at the end of all that, I've got the money sitting in the bank maybe for 1 or 2 days before the money goes out. And an ideal way that we would want this to really sort of pan out is that our trade payable days are equal to or less than our trade receivable days at our inventory turnover in days. Because what that means is we receive the goods in on average on day one, and maybe our inventory turnover days are 5 days. So it takes us 5 days to sell them. And then if our trade receivable days are 20 days, it takes us 20 days to collect the money. So we're looking at a 25-day period from receiving the goods to receiving cash. And if the trade payable days are 30 days, that means that we've got the cash in the business for an additional 5 days over and above when the pay, or before the payment is due.